Okay, so this is a small demonstration of two cooperating processes communicating over WAMP. It's very difficult to try and explain exactly what it does at first view, but essentially we have one realm, we have two containers, each running on a separate node, communicating over that same realm. So at the moment, each container is running a bouncing ball application in isolation. So the ball is bouncing around inside the confines of its terminal window. If I restart the application on node 2 with different parameters, this will essentially join the two windows such that when a ball reaches the joining edge between the two windows, it will pass between containers. So if I just move this container over a little, as it hits the boundary, what's happening is it's throwing the ball between containers. So at the moment, both balls are running in container 2, and as each ball hits the boundary, it's thrown across and starts running in container 1. So the mechanism by which the two containers are joined is a pub/sub command which says join these two containers on this edge, and every time a ball hits an edge, one side does a throw and the other side does a catch, again over pub/sub. So just to make this a little more interesting, if I select a window and launch a few more balls, if you look very carefully, you can see each time the outside hits the right-hand edge in the left-hand window, it'll move across to the other side. We've also got a little bit of resize handling. Doesn't work completely smoothly because the windows are now a different size, but essentially when balls move off the right-hand side, they will ultimately bounce up into the smaller container. So if I launch some more balls in here, you can see them flying from right to left. And I can resize this back again just to give a better view. Obviously, this entire display is running over WAMP as a console application. If you run the application natively in a local Xterm, it's a bit smoother, but it's still quite viewable even over a remote WAMP-powered console. Okay, I'll try and do a second demonstration from a local perspective, but that's it running from within the user interface.